In this video we look at the Spring Hotel Bitácora, located at Playa de las Américas in Tenerife. This is advertised as a 4-star hotel and is directly across the road from the best Tenerife hotel that we stayed at previously. It's positioned a few minutes walk away from the main strip, and we found it generally to be in a very quiet area. For clarity, we stayed in room 243, which is a fresh room according to their website, or a standard room according to the Jet2 website. Having said that, we travelled as a group of 14 with varying different room standards, but all with the same layout. The rooms were all cleaned every day of our stay. Straight through the door and you have the hanging space, fridge and safe. The room is made of a sofa bed and 2 single beds pushed together. For us, this was made to accommodate 2 adults and 2 children. A TV, air conditioning and in-room phone are provided, with bedside sockets and USB ports on both sides of the bed. Back to the main entrance and you find a small fridge, 1 drawer for clothes, a safe which is charged at €3 a night, hanging space for clothes and some shelf space. This wasn't a lot of space for 4 people and was the only wardrobe-like area provided. Into the bathroom, and this was quite a nice large space with enough bath and hand towels for 4 people, a hairdryer and 2 glasses. Our bathroom came with a bath and overbath shower. However, this was rare within our booking, as the other 5 rooms that we booked all came with walk-in showers. My feeling on this was that the showers looked newer than our bath, and potentially it was a matter of time before this is replaced with a shower only. All rooms are accessed via the wristband attached during check-in. This is used as your room key, as well as charging pool drinks and snacks to your room. Our room faced out the back of the hotel, which overlooked the excellent on-site play park. Rooms with a pool view overlook the 4 pools at this hotel. That's a plunge pool for the water slides, a small toddler pool, a larger pool, and an adults only pool. The hotel also boasts a free modern gym with well-kept and modern equipment for guests to use at their leisure. We stayed on a full board plus basis, which meant breakfast, evening meal and drinks at meal times. This is not the same as all-inclusive and doesn't include lunch or drinks around the pool or in the hotel bar. For this, extras are charged to your room for settling on checkout. Having stayed in a number of these places in the past, we were very pleased with the selection and quality of food overall. The restaurant is large with plenty of choice, with some of the main meat or fish options changing each night. An excellent selection of bread, pastries, fruit, salads and vegetables were all on offer every day. Entertainment was provided each day around the pool if you wanted to take part, and every evening at the hotel bar area. The Queen Tribute Act were a particular highlight for us, although some of the other entertainment wasn't always to our personal taste, which of course is fine. At the time of this review, we would agree with the 4-star rating of this hotel and would certainly look to return here in the future. If you can get this for a good price for you, it's definitely worth a try. If you found this video useful and would like to stay up to date with travel tips and reviews, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.